If you've been very observant while debugging your projects, you might have noticed the Immediate Window option at the bottom of the Visual Studio window. The Immediate window allows you to execute various commands while the project is running. To begin this lesson, open the Joe's Bar Web Application project from your Sample Files folder. Now open the code behind file of default.aspx and add a breakpoint to the following line of code: response.write, email entered. Breakpoints are covered in Session 3 of the Essential Skills course in this series. Now run the project in debug mode. To do this, click Debug, Start Debugging. Now scroll down to the bottom of the page and enter an email address into the text box. I'm going to enter info@learnasp4.com and click Give me free beer. You are returned to Visual Studio and the project is paused at the breakpoint. If you're not automatically returned to Visual Studio, return to it manually without closing your web browser. Now click the Immediate Window button at the bottom of the screen. Note that if this button isn't visible, you need to reset Visual Studio's window layout. To do this, click Window, Reset Window Layout, and click Yes when prompted. If the immediate window is still not available, you can manually display it by clicking Debug, Windows, Immediate. The immediate window is empty at first, waiting for you to enter a command. Click in the immediate window and type the following command: > debug.print email entered semicolon. When you press the Enter key, the command executes and displays the value of the email entered variable. There's a much quicker way of running the debug.print command. Type the following command to do exactly the same thing: email entered. The question mark is a shortcut to the debug.print command. The immediate window is capable of executing commands, not just displaying information. Try the following command: 150 plus 12. When you press the Enter key, the result of 162 is displayed. Now try this command: mailmodule.mailmodule.is email valid begin brackets email entered. This command actually runs a method from the mail module class library that you added a reference to in Lesson 1-2. When you press the Enter key, the method returns true for the email address, indicating that it is valid. The immediate window is also able to change the values of variables while debugging. Enter the following command: email entered equals begin quote not at valid end quote. When you press the Enter key, the value of the email entered variable is changed to not at valid. Check if the email address is valid now using the following command: mailmodule.mailmodule.is email valid email entered. When you press the Enter key this time, the method returns false, because the new value of email entered is not a valid email address. It's worth mentioning that you could also do all of this using the Watch window. The Watch window is covered in Session 3 of the Essential Skills course in this series. In the professional version of Visual Studio, another window is available called the Command window. The Command window is very similar to the Immediate window. In fact, the only difference is that it automatically inserts a greater than symbol before each command. If you insert a greater than symbol before your commands in the Immediate window, you will entirely replicate the functionality of the Command window. Stop debugging now and close Visual Studio. You've now completed Lesson 111. Use the Immediate window.